Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can use ChatGPT for business. So you can see if you can enter different type of prompts. So I have this prompt which says generate a list of 10 innovative business ideas in the industry. In the industry section you can type in your preferred industry. Let's say you can type in here AI sector. So you can simply enter that prompt and ChatGPT will give you a list of ideas. So you can see here you have 10 innovative business ideas, which is AI powered personal health assistant, AI driven cybersecurity solutions, AI powered language translation services, so on and so forth. So similarly you can enter another prompt as well, which mentions suggest 3 niches market within the industry that have growth potential. You can enter your industry as well. So let's say you enter here the industry of electrical, and then you're going to be entering your prompt, and then again ChatGPT will give you some answers. So you can see you can create EVs, electric vehicles, smart home automation, renewable energy, and you can see you have this really brilliant ideas. And last but not least, we have another prompt which is create a list of 10 low-cost business ideas that can be started with minimum investment. So you can see it will give you some ideas for that. You can see you have freelance services, drop shipping, social media management, handmade products, event planning, and so on and so forth. So that's a really robust way to use ChatGPT for your business. I really hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.